Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. This is Rania and today I'm going to show you how to create like these videos using AI programs. It's completely free and it's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first I'll go to Google and I'll search Leonardo AI. Click the first one and get started. And if you don't have account, you have create an account. Okay. So now I have credit free here 150. Okay. This is for free every day. And now I'll go to image, go to model slash preset, and I'll choose Phoenix 1. It's very important, okay? Phoenix 1, this one, okay. So now I'll go to image dimension and I'll choose this one because I wanted HD or full HD. Okay, so now I'll add my prompt and I will leave it into the description. Okay, copy and I'll paste it here. Paste. Okay, yeah. Now generate your images. Now we have 4 images. Yeah, this is very cool. Let me open it. Yeah, okay. I think it's very, very, very cool. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so now let me download it on my laptop. Then the next step, we want to animate these images. So let's go to last last step. Okay. Now go to Google and I'll type high-low AI. Okay, high-low AI, the first one. Click on it. Now, okay. First, of course, you have to create an account. Okay. And now this is our credits. It's completely free. Okay. Now create a video. So now we have image to video or text to video or subject. So let me confirm. Okay. Go to image to video. Double click and choose your image. I'll choose this one. Uploading and now I'll take the same prompt and paste it here. Okay. And now we have 3 choice. I'll choose the second one. Okay. Then generate. Okay. And let me see the result. See. Ah, it's very cool. It's very, very cool. Yeah. Okay. Let me download it. Okay. This is very good. Now let me choose another one. Okay. Also, I'll choose in this case the first one. Let me try it. Okay. And here we go. Uh-huh. We have some issues here. I think it's not good. like the second one, here and here, as we can see. No. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.